let me introduce an Onpassive product exclusive Obless. Obless is just one of several dozens of products. It lets us connect with people worldwide to support a need that we see or have by raising funds for it easily and quickly. It's a platform for nonprofits, a non-profitable platform, as it were, to raise funds across the globe and to connect us with donors and companies to support charities or projects that need funding. It's somewhat akin to the term that you're aware of that we call crowdfunding. In keeping with our mission to create impactful philanthropy across the global audience, Obless has multi-currency features that help us collect funding from sources in many different countries. Its features make our work easier by allowing searches according to profile, time horizon, size, country, industry, and other criteria. Obless gives us an opportunity to communicate causes within and without a community and a way to make others aware of the need. It comes with multiple features that allow everybody interested to showcase their project and to get it funded while having a chance for recognition because they're championing a cause. Key features of this incredible program include access to admin dashboards and reports, creating profile pages for causes and its backers, uploading videos, creating campaign pages, and a lot more. Now, not everybody's going to probably use it, but if we're of a charitable mindset, this is an excellent place to start. I really hope you've enjoyed this little bit of a talk on the things that Onpassive can set us up for, like the laptop lifestyle, the gig economy that we're all going to be a part of, and even the Obless, which will help us to bless anybody and everybody that we come in contact with, and even those that we don't. If you have already talked to somebody and they've invited you to be a founder, please get back with that person, join that team. If not, click on the link below and join our team. Help us to create something lasting, a legacy for not only our family and yours, but for many others. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and no matter what you decide or where you decide to go, we wish blessing and blessing upon you and upon your family.